The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Union County, Shelby County, northern Miami County, Logan County, Hardin County, northern Dare County, northern Champaign County, eastern Douglas County, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:47 p.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Doler to Lake Loramie State Park to Sharp High, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Storm hazards include damaging winds to 70 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Greenville, Sydney, Russell's Point, Forest, Covington, Piqua, Kenton, Bell Fountain, West Liberty, Saint, Paris, Ridgewood, in addition, Newport, Waynesfield, Alger, Webster, Russia, Anna, Houston, and Muntra are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. This includes the following Interstate 75 between mile marker 79 and 114. A tornado watch is in effect for the warned area. Be alert for rapidly changing weather conditions. Tornadoes can develop suddenly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Sunday evening for southeastern Indiana and northern Kentucky and southwestern Ohio. A tornado watch also remains in effect until midnight Monday morning for northeastern Kentucky and southwestern Ohio.